What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Comment down below if you like these videos, and also comment down below if you can see my screen, because I really want you guys to. But let's get right into it. Mommy's sis is stuck. Oh no! Oh, his sister. I feel so bad. I feel so bad. Oh, she might make it in there. Go, guys! Yeah, they need help, but okay, so I will be teleporting to my house at this moment. Okay, but guys, my thing might just randomly shut off because my iPad is on low battery. But make sure to like and subscribe. If you aren't already, make sure to like and subscribe and turn those post notification bells, and leave a like to never miss another video. Sorry, I messed up a lot in that because I haven't done a YouTube video in so long. But you might be like, if you like my friend's channel Chase, his name is Chase and TV. Make sure to go like and subscribe, like all of his videos, and subscribe and turn on those post notifications for his channel, and do the exact same thing for my friend Ben's channel. Here guys, sorry, my alarm, can you not? Alarm, where are you? I will turn you off and you will regret doing anything. Okay, so how do I turn my alarm off? Okay, oh, maybe it's in the other room. Maybe it's in this room. I can do it. Alarm. Shut up, please. Alarm. The reason why it's so dark because I do not want to pay my freaking house bills. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gotta change to another. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. And also, if you want to join a group that I know, go to either Team Swap Forever, or just go or type in Chasing Code TV, and that will be another group. But this is just random huts. What? I swear this was not here before. It was always over here in the corner. I'm going to build real quick. Look at all my nice little plantsies. Oh la la la. Build my Okay. So we going big or we going home? Here guys, so for now I will not be doing anything. Guys, you sometimes hate how it just takes you. Like, I'm on a computer, but do you guys just sometimes hate how it takes you away? Or, I wasn't touching it. No. What? Inside the window? Okay, we are getting very risky now. Delete and a build. Okay, Blocksburg one. Okay, so what do I need? I need that much money. Guys, feel free to do a big favor for me. I will not care. Donate some money to me, please. But I'm going to work right now. Holy fucker! I'm gonna turn into a pig I want. It's like, fine. I need to. Okay, guys, this might turn into a different episode than we all thought. Might turn into I found a parrot. Mama, 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 mama. Let me say mama. Let me say mama. Can we say mama in short? M-O-M. Mama, 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 I want you to be my mama. ABC for mom. Me. You guys can't see. You guys cannot see. Guys, there I zoomed it in. Hopefully you guys can see better. I said me. I repeated me. So guys, just feel free to this, okay? So guys, I'm going to hold on videos. Rumbles. You can all probably see better. Like this, okay? This is very uncomfortable, but I'm doing it for you. This girl has a cool hair. Yeah, I like it. Let's find a way to break it or get on top of it. Breaking it. And I'm breaking again. Ooh. Looking. As we should have said, looking sharp, cool. But looking bad, cool, for not making that last freaking perfect one. And it is impossible. This looks like a poke digger one thing. Don't you guys think it looks like poke digger one? But these things are weird. Hopefully poke. No, I can't do it. Come. Okay. Come to me. I'm just gonna say ABC for kid. ABC for I'm getting a brother. Okay. Mom. Yes. No. No. No.
wetness or something.
Can you type
Yeah.
in mountain? Mountainside?
Mountainside?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Mount-
So and especially if someone's sick, right? You know how we scrambled before, right? Because you need someone to answer the phone. Well, now if you called and said, you know, last night you woke up calling out and you didn't work, at least you still have someone. Yeah, so.
Come on. Come on. Okay. Guys, guess what? I had asked my nanny for a mountainside, but guess what? I got a mom. I got a mom. And if you haven't seen my face yet, it says, I'll try to get in. There. Okay, now I gotta flip the camera back up. Oh, Sylvania, never is accessible. Oh, Sylvania, never is accessible. Oh, Sylvania. She looking out the window. She don't wanna look at me. What the heck? This. Okay, good, it's not hers. I want that to be hers, like that one right there. I want that to be hers. Ooh, sweet. It's nice. I like it. I better have the chat open for here. Okay, guys, I'm gonna scroll. We're here. Okay, coming. Where do we eat? Okay, here. Eat. And those dying. Damn out. Gotta go explore. Gotta go. Very interesting gaming channels on TV. Let's see. Do you guys kind of have any suspicious feeling? I think I did run into this girl and I said, Mom, and then she was like, I'm not your, and she was like, I'm not your mom. She was like, I'm not your mom. Guys, yeah, so we might end the video soon. Okay, once it's day, I'm gonna call it a video. Or should I say that? Oh, I never noticed, but it's like that. Probably shouldn't touch it. Gonna get a big trouble. Big trouble. Big move. Okay, so are you sure you want Are you sure? Are you sure you want to buy this from? No! What? That's a scam! Never do this! It took away all my Blocksburg. No! I took away all my Blocksburg. I wish I had 6,000 Robux. I could buy that. I could buy that. I could buy it. I could buy it. I better check the change. Okay, we out here being good. Please. This is a good Blocksburg day. Don't you think, huh? Oh, she left. Well, guys, guess it's safe to say, one more video down, 1,000,000 more to go, maybe, and peace out, goodbye, bye-bye.